If you need an exercise companion that is classic, easy to use, immediately effective and is the perfect supplement for a wide range of exercises, you cannot beat the stability ball. You might know these balls as fitness balls, exercise balls, or yoga balls, but regardless of what you call them, they are reliable workout accessories that can crank up your exercise routine while fixing posture and relieving pain. Exercise balls are not new to the market. These products have been out for decades, but their effectiveness is often underestimated. There are a lot of different versions of the stability ball out there, and getting a bad one can get unsafe really fast. That's why we reviewed the available products and selected our favorite stability balls of 2023 to ensure you will not make the wrong choice. With our expertise, buying your own stability will be a breeze. Number 1. Try your stability ball. Exercise is not the only reason to use a stability ball. People who have to sit in office chairs throughout the day are all too familiar with the back pain that comes from staying in that position. This Try ball comes with a game-changing base that makes the ball stable, meaning you can use the ball throughout work without a hitch. Using this exercise ball will improve your posture, strengthen your core, and alleviate back pain. Also, the micro-movement you will make while sitting on this ball continuously stimulates you, leading to increased focus and productivity. Traditional pregnancy chairs keep you in the same posture for a long time. Using our birthing ball chair can improve your sitting posture, strengthen your core muscles, reduce lower back pain to encourage a healthier lifestyle. The micro-movements promoted by sitting on the pregnancy ball chair at home stimulates your body constantly, resulting in a heightened sense of focus and improves your flexibility to help birthing. Number 2. Spocks Fit Stability Ball. For the complete workout companion, this ball is the one to choose. You can get a full set that includes a supportive base, 2 resistance bands, and a balance ball that can help you reach your fitness goals. It also comes with a comprehensive exercise poster that equips you immediately with 38 different exercises that help you target muscle groups, improve balance, and build your core. You know you will get the very best experience with this product because it is made from durable, high-quality PVC that's anti-burst and anti-slip. This 65 cm exercise ball chair is made of eco-friendly, completely safe non-allergenic PVC material with an anti-burst rating of 660 pounds. The special honeycomb surface makes the yoga ball anti-slip for your safety and better workouts. Use the ball at home and the office for working, watching TV, playing video games, and to relieve chronic back, neck, and shoulder pain through improved posture. Sit up straight on the ball to engage core muscles. The stability base improves stability and prevents rolling when you sit and stand up. Number 3. ProBody Pilates Stability Ball. The ProBody Stability Ball is equipped to be a companion at every stage of pregnancy. This fitness ball can be used for exercise during pregnancy, to relieve pregnancy-induced back pain, and as a birthing ball during labor. After pregnancy, it can serve as a great chair that provides soft bounces while you are soothing your baby. It also comes with an exercise guide to help you work out your pelvic floor and other muscle groups. As A+, the ball comes in 5 sizes ranging from 45 cm to 85 cm, meaning whatever size group you fall under, there's one for you. Anti-burst and slip-resistant fitness ball with thick PVC to withstand the most punishing workouts and training, yoga or Pilates. This heavy-duty ball for fitness is rated beyond 330 pounds anti-burst. Number 4. SmarterLife Stability Ball. The SmarterLife Stability Ball is a jack-of-all-trades, packed full of features that make it an all-in-one exercise tool for fitness at any age. Its high anti-burst rating and all-around thickness help it retain its shape over time and ensures that it will not pop even when punctured by sharp objects. Its anti-slip matte surface with tactile lines makes it comfortable to use, and it will not slide out from under you. This ball's versatility extends to posture correction, ab building, play therapy, sitting, and labor support. As A+, the ball comes in 5 sizes ranging from 45 cm to 85 cm, meaning whatever size group you fall under, there's one for you. Making a fantastic addition to your existing collection of at-home workout equipment, our workout ball is ideal for stretching, correcting posture while sitting at a desk, or exercising. Number 5. UrbanFit Stability Ball. Now that we have established your need for a stability ball, our top choice is the UrbanFit Stability Ball. This incredible exercise ball is the perfect companion to any of your workout routines, including but not limited to yoga, Pilates, stretches, and cardio. It is also immensely therapeutic and can be used during physical therapy and as a birthing ball to aid expectant mothers. This ball is the best overall due to its versatility. Its high-quality anti-slip, anti-burst build means it will last for a long time, as well.